Hey guys, welcome back to Andrew's Table. Today we're going to be making that new menu that they are showcasing on Youn's Day, and we're going to be making 육산적. And this is a Korean version of skewers or kebabs, and it's a variation of beef mushroom. You batter it up and you fry it. This was the staff's favorite pick of the entire new menu, so let's go and check out the ingredients. I'm just gonna pat this dry. So I patted that dry, and now we're gonna cut these up into symmetrical pieces. I'm using a ribeye cut, and you guys can choose whichever steak you guys want, whether it's skirt steak or New York strip, whichever you guys prefer. And also, when it comes to cutting this, make sure that it's not too thick, because I know when they were trying it at Youn's Day, they failed multiple times, and they decided to go with a not too thick of a cut because mushroom doesn't take too long to cut, so they want everything to be at a similar cooking time. And next I'm going to put my meat into a bowl and pour the same sauce that I made for Yulan Teokgalbi video. We'll link the video of our Yulan Teokgalbi recipe because this is the same sauce for that, so refer to that for the details. So I'm gonna stick these into the fridge while we get everything else prepared. Soaking this in water so that it prevents splintering. We're gonna cut these up into rectangle pieces to match the shape of the meat. These skewers that we have are a little bit long, so I'm gonna cut these up if it's possible. Cut this much off because it was just way too long, and it's gonna be harder to cook with it. So now we're gonna skewer these on, and I'm gonna go in the order of meat, mushroom, meat, mushroom. So now we're gonna put some Korean pancake flour all over each of the skewers, and we're gonna batter it up. But if this powder is not readily available for you guys at home, then all-purpose flour would be perfectly fine. Now let's crack 3 eggs into our mixing bowl. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to this and give it a mix. And now we're going to fry these up. So we're gonna drop these into our egg batter. I'm going to use a brush and brush some of that off. Have this on medium heat, and we will start the frying. the egg is acting as a binding agent, so that's why I keep brushing on more egg on top so that everything stays close-knit and all together. So I really like Jeon growing up. I like fish, I think it's codfish, in egg batter. My favorite is zucchini, and there are a billion other ones, but I've actually never tried this. I've tried the ones that are colorful and there are other vegetables in it. And so it's like imitation crab meat and some kind of veggies in a little toothpick size skewer, right? That's what yeah. So this is kind of like that, but this is a meat-based skewer. So I'm actually really curious to see how this is gonna taste. So we're gonna let this rest and cool down a bit, and in the meantime, we'll get started with our chive side dish? Yeah, side garnish. I'm gonna use a red pepper. Vinegar and my citron tea. Now I'm going to carefully take the skewers out. Make sure that all the sizes are even on each side. I think this side is fine. I'm just going to cut this. There's so much flavor.